Hey guys, Paul here. I'm going to do a quick video on how to go live on Facebook from your computer or share a video when you're not live. So live's the craze at the minute because it notifies all your fans or friends whenever you go live. So people are getting a lot of attention through posting a live video. But you might not want to be live under your brand just in case something happens. So what you might want to do is record a video and then post that as live even though it's not live. So let me show you what I mean. I use Wirecast. It's really good. I'm not an expert on it, but I do know how to use it-ish. It does some funky stuff. But right, so first off you open up Wirecast and then you click on this, I don't know, Wi-Fi-ish looking icon. Then you click Facebook Live and click OK. So then it'll come up authenticate. So 720 by I don't really know what to change that to. I'll just leave it as is. Name, I guess you're going to put Facebook there if you're going to save it, right? And then authenticate, it'll go and ask, it'll log into Facebook. So I'm going to put live test Monday morning, right? Live tester. So obviously whatever description you're going to put in. So where am I going to put it? Post it to my profile or my pages. So I've got all these pages I could post to, but I am going to post to my profile just because I don't use Facebook for friends. I just use it for business, so it won't go to anyone. Show verified pages only. Privacy public, so you could change it to just your friends or only me. You can put where you are, I guess. Doncaster. Who you're with if you wanted to. It's not actually letting me click on it, so I don't know what that is. And then you create, so you've got to create the session. So this won't send you live, this creates this link at the bottom, right? So now I can add a media file. So I might just add, what have I got? So you might create a file. Alright, so I'll just use this that shows, that might say I am going live on Facebook in 10 minutes or 5 minutes. So that might be the image that you start off the broadcast. So you click this circle. Oh, no, now you click this, right? That's it. I think you're supposed to click that circle before. So now, if I go to Facebook, on my profile, Paul Nicholson is live broadcast, right? Live tester in Doncaster, which is what we set up. Now, if I press this button to shoot that over, and you'll see, point at the screen, you'll see this will change. So the delay is, I don't know, 5 or 10 seconds. I believe it's there. You see, so now you see it's 5 or 10 seconds delay. So we know we're live now. We're doing it from my computer, and if I had any friends, it'd be telling them all I'm live, right? So why would you use it? So you would go to, this is where it gets a bit funky for me, media file, right? And then if I go to my videos, where my videos live? So I don't know what video. Facebook comments on my blog, right? How to add Facebook comments. So this bit is where, oh, that just made it bigger, didn't it? Do I have to get rid of that? Oh man. If I get rid of this and add a media file, I'm making it look easy again, aren't I? Facebook comments on my blog, right? So that is now showing there. I can watch it or do anything, and then I can send it.
Right guys, next video I'm going to show you how to,
and then it's going to go on to here, 10 seconds, 5 seconds, whatever we said, right? So you're going to see it come up live.
Right guys, next video I'm going to show you how to,
and then it's going to play Is it playing? Oh yeah, it's doing something, right? So Facebook Live is as funky as usual. So you can see it's playing. There's no audio, but it might be because I'm watching it on the same computer I'm launching on, right? Have I got volume on? So I don't know why there's no volume on it, but so that's basically as easy as that. Is you, he says you can just upload a video and then add and then send that live. So what also I can do is if I want to do live training, I can do a screen capture and then no, screencast, right? Is it screencast or screenshot? Built-in microphone, screen audio, Wirecast. Yeah, I think it is screencast, right? Screen capture, new, and then window, and then select the window. So I would, if I selected Chrome, it'd only show the Chrome window. So if I go here, it'll bring up, and now I can do, if I'm doing training on a website, I can send that over. That's the live view, which is going to go here in a second. So we'll wait for it to flip. So now it's just showing that Chrome view, right? So I can actually open Wirecast up and jump across to, I don't know, BBC, right? And I could be talking about, so this is a new news story, Tesco, BBC, blah, 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 right? And that will come up on that live screen, BBC, even though I opened up Wirecast first. So it only shows the screen that you've said, right? You've said I just want to show Chrome on that window. So it's pretty cool that. So you can open all these different other windows, but the only one that is showing is the Chrome window. So that's cool. So you can do live training with that, or you can show people around your website or your products or whatever and talk to them, knowing that if you open this page, it won't actually do anything. What you can also do is I can put my ugly mug on here Monday morning. Look at the state of that. Oh, it's that side. Look at that. If I'd known I was doing this, I'd have got somebody else to do it. So I can capture my video on there and send that across. So it blanked because I closed that other. So there you go. So now I can show my video. Hopefully I'm still recording. I don't know if it's because I'm screencasting and doing whatever. There's no video on there. So what else? Okay, I can't handle watching myself. So I'll put another video on. There's some funky stuff that you can do, and I haven't played with it enough. Let me put this one back on. Like you can put overlays on and stuff. So you can. There's a Twitter home timeline, user time, a search. I don't know, golf, right? No, I can't. I'm not going to do that. But you can do stuff where you put a little bar at the bottom. Yeah, here, look. This. So you can put this bar, and then you can do something funky with Twitter, where you put a tweet in there, and then you can talk about it. So you could, in theory, put your yeah. There's probably videos on how to do that, but there's some funky stuff that you can use. Go to layer, activate layer, enter full screen. There's all sorts of funky stuff. I was playing about it. Canvas size, virtual. I can't remember where it was. But you can do all sorts of different. Is it on here? solid remote scoreboard. So yeah, if you've got Pro, you can add a scoreboard and put live scores up. Media file, text, solid, web display. I don't know, I clicked on it. I don't know what that is, but I think you can get from this video that you can go live without being live. You can control it from your computer, and it's a pretty cool tool. I mean, it's not cheap. I'm not sure exactly how much it is. It's like 400 quid, I think, for the full license. But it's a real funky way for you to go off and record a video somewhere, do your training video, but then post it on Facebook as if you're live. It posts to it'll comment, it'll send a notification to all your fans that you're live, and you can actually sit and answer the questions as they come in the comments, right? So worthwhile getting it, demoing it. If you get the demo, you have a watermark on the live video, so you have to pay for the full version to get rid of the watermark. But it's really cool. I just thought that this would be a quick video that showed you how to go live without having to do it on your phone. So leave a comment, let me know what you think. If you've got any questions, I'll create a video for you on an answer for that. If you've got specific questions on Wirecast, I'll try and work it out and do a video. Any comments, leave them below wherever you're watching it. Come and visit me, paulnicholson.com. Have a great day and a great week. Cheers.